Are you going to fly?
You ride it.
Mummy's silly ideas.
Minute Monday.
Hiya, hope you're well. Decorating is still not finished in the bathroom. I've actually been quite ill this week. I've got suspected kidney stones, so I've not had the happiest of weeks really. But anyway, today's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. It's lovely and sunny. I don't feel too bad at all, so we're going to ride, we're going to take little one down to ride his bike. I've got him a new plane to put on his bike, so we're just going to make sure the bike's all roadworthy and fix the plane and give it a go.
Okay, I can do it.
Nice. I'll give it a try.
Still perfect. Ready? Steady. She'll be on.
Go on in. When it comes up, let's do the
The coolest bike in the world. Show your beeper. Show your horn. Cool. Where's your new aeroplane? Woo! Excellent. Off you go then.
Okay.
So I hope you're having a good weekend and enjoying the weather if you have a good weather like us. Have a good week and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.